Pet insurance. It's become a common phrase these days, but what does it really mean for you and your beloved pets? Simply put, it's a safety net for your furry friends, ensuring they get the care they need when they need it most. Just like health insurance for us, it helps cover veterinary costs if your pet gets sick or injured. This means you won't have to choose between your pet's health and your finances. More and more people are recognizing the importance of pet insurance. It's not just a trend, it's a growing necessity. In fact, it's one of the fastest growing types of insurance today, reflecting how much we value our pets' well-being. And why not? Our pets are part of the family. They bring joy, companionship, and unconditional love into our lives. We want the best for them, especially when they're unwell. Pet insurance ensures they receive the best possible care without delay. Pet insurance provides peace of mind. Knowing that you have a plan in place allows you to focus on what truly matters: your pet's health and happiness. It means that if the unexpected happens, you can focus on your pet's recovery, not the financial burden. Emergencies can be stressful, but having insurance can alleviate some of that stress. It's about knowing you can provide the best possible care without worrying about the cost. This way, you and your pet can enjoy more quality time together, free from financial concerns. Ultimately, pet insurance is an investment in your pet's future, ensuring they live a long, healthy, and happy life by your side. Just like with our own insurance, there are different types of pet insurance plans. Each one offers varying levels of coverage. It's important to understand the differences to choose the best option for your pet. The most basic type is accident-only coverage. As the name suggests, this plan only covers accidents, such as broken bones or swallowed objects. It doesn't cover illnesses. Then there's accident and illness coverage. This is a more comprehensive option covering both accidents and a wide range of illnesses. This can include anything from ear infections to allergies to cancer treatment. Some plans even offer wellness coverage as an add-on. This can help cover routine care costs, such as vaccinations, flea and tick prevention, and annual checkups. Imagine this: your dog Buster suddenly starts limping. You notice he's not his usual playful self and seems to be in pain. Concerned, you take him to the vet, and after a thorough examination they diagnose him with a sprained ankle. The vet explains that Buster needs an X-ray to assess the extent of the injury and some pain medication to help him feel better. This is where pet insurance comes in. It's designed to help pet owners manage unexpected medical expenses. First, you'd pay the vet bill up front, just like you normally would when visiting the vet for any treatment. Then, you'd file a claim with your pet insurance company. This process is usually straightforward and can often be done online. Filing a claim typically involves submitting the vet invoice and any relevant medical records to provide proof of the treatment and costs. Once the insurance company receives your claim, they'll review it carefully to determine the reimbursement amount based on your policy. The reimbursement amount is calculated based on your policy's coverage and deductible. It's important to understand these terms when you sign up for pet insurance. After the review, you'll receive reimbursement, typically via direct deposit or a check, making the process convenient for you. In Buster's case, let's say your policy has a $200 deductible and covers 80% of eligible costs. This means you have to pay the first $200 out of pocket. If the total vet bill was $500, you'd be responsible for the $200 deductible. This is the amount you pay before the insurance coverage kicks in. After the deductible, your insurance would cover 80% of the remaining $300, which amounts to $240. This significantly reduces your financial burden. So, in the end, you'd get reimbursed $240, and your total out-of-pocket expense would be $260. This example shows how pet insurance can provide peace of mind and financial relief during unexpected situations. One of the first questions people ask about pet insurance is, how much does it cost? Premiums vary depending on several factors. These include your pet's breed, age, location, and the coverage you choose. It's true that pet insurance adds an extra monthly expense. However, it's important to weigh those premiums against the potential cost of unexpected vet bills. Imagine facing a $5,000 emergency surgery for your beloved cat. Pet insurance could mean the difference between being able to afford that life-saving treatment or having to make a heart-wrenching decision. It's about having peace of mind, knowing that you won't have to choose between your pet's health and your finances. Some breeds are prone to certain health conditions. For example, large breed dogs are more susceptible to hip dysplasia, while certain small breeds might be predisposed to heart problems. Pet insurance can be particularly beneficial for these breeds. It can help offset the costs of treating those hereditary conditions. This can provide significant financial relief and ensure your pet receives the best possible care. It's important to be upfront with your insurance provider about your pet's breed and any known health concerns in their lineage. This will help determine the most appropriate coverage and ensure there are no surprises down the road. One thing to be aware of is pre-existing conditions. These are any health issues your pet has experienced before enrolling in an insurance plan. Most pet insurance plans don't cover pre-existing conditions. This is why it's generally recommended to get pet insurance while your pet is young and healthy. The earlier you enroll them, the less likely they are to have developed any pre-existing conditions. However, some plans might offer coverage for pre-existing conditions after a waiting period or if the condition has been resolved for a certain amount of time. It's important to carefully review the policy terms to understand what's covered and what's not. With so many different pet insurance providers and plans available, it can feel overwhelming to choose the right one. The key is to carefully compare policies and consider your pet's individual needs and your budget. Start by thinking about your pet's age, breed, and overall health. Consider any potential risks or health concerns based on their breed or lifestyle. Next, determine what's most important to you in terms of coverage. Do you want a comprehensive plan that covers both accidents and illnesses? Or is accident-only coverage sufficient for your needs? Don't be afraid to request quotes from multiple insurance providers. Compare the coverage, premiums, deductibles, and reimbursement rates. Read the policy documents carefully, paying attention to the fine print. Many pet insurance providers offer optional add-ons or riders to enhance their basic plans. These can provide additional coverage for specific needs or concerns. For example, you might consider a rider for alternative therapies, such as acupuncture or hydrotherapy. Or you might opt for coverage for behavioral issues, dental care, or even overseas travel with your pet. These add-ons typically come at an extra cost but can be worthwhile if they align with your pet's needs and your priorities. Evaluate your pet's lifestyle and any potential risks to determine which add-ons, if any, would be beneficial. Countless pet owners can attest to the value of pet insurance. It's not just a financial safety net, it's a lifeline that ensures our beloved pets receive the care they need when they need it most. Stories abound of pets who've received life-saving treatments thanks to the financial safety net provided by their insurance policies. These policies can cover a range of treatments, from emergency surgeries to ongoing medical care, making a world of difference in critical moments. Take the story of Max, a playful Labrador who suffered a severe leg injury while chasing a frisbee. Max's boundless energy and love for playtime led to an unfortunate accident that could have had dire consequences. The emergency surgery and rehabilitation costs were astronomical. Without insurance, the financial burden would have been overwhelming for Max's family. But thanks to his pet insurance, Max's owners could focus on his recovery without worrying about the financial strain. They were able to provide him with the best possible care, ensuring a smooth and swift recovery. Or consider Bella, a senior cat diagnosed with diabetes. Managing her condition required regular insulin injections and frequent vet visits. Her ongoing medication and specialized diet were expensive. The costs could have easily added up, creating a significant financial burden for her owners. However, Bella's insurance helped alleviate the financial burden, allowing her owners to provide her with the care she needed to manage her condition. They could afford her medication and special diet without compromising on her health. These stories highlight the peace of mind that pet insurance can bring. Knowing that financial constraints won't hinder your ability to care for your pet is invaluable. It's about knowing that you can provide the best possible care for your furry friend, no matter what life throws their way. Pet insurance ensures that your pets can live their best lives, healthy and happy, by your side. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to get pet insurance is personal. There's no right or wrong answer. It depends on your individual circumstances, your pet's needs, and your risk tolerance. If you're comfortable with the potential financial risk of unexpected vet bills and have the means to cover those costs, pet insurance might not be necessary. However, if you want peace of mind knowing that you're financially protected if your pet gets sick or injured, pet insurance is worth considering. It's about weighing the cost of premiums against the potential financial burden of unexpected vet bills. It's about putting a price on your peace of mind and your pet's well-being. If you're considering pet insurance, now is the time to act. Don't wait for the unexpected to happen. The sooner you enroll your pet, the more comprehensive their coverage will be. Start by researching different pet insurance providers and comparing policies. Request quotes, read the fine print, and ask questions. Talk to your veterinarian. They can provide valuable insights and help you assess your pet's individual needs. Remember, pet insurance is an investment in your pet's health and well-being. It's a way to ensure that you can provide them with the best possible care, no matter what challenges come their way. You can share your pet insurance experience in the comments. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.